Welcome to Double Aces Ranch. More than 7,800 contiguous acres in northern Coke County, where three iconic Texas landscapes meet. Ideally positioned between Abilene and San Angelo, Double Aces Ranch feels private, yet remains easily accessible. The North Gate sits just minutes from Blackwell, Texas, with essentials like fuel, groceries, hardware, and dining close by. Lake E.V. Spence adds fishing, boating, and weekend recreation to the mix. Across the property, you'll find 9 operational windmills, a solar well, 2 electric wells, seasonal creeks, and 2 beautiful 5-acre ponds at headquarters. Wildlife thrives here. You'll find strong free-range whitetail with excellent body mass and antler potential, abundant Rio Grande turkey, seasonal waterfowl, and sandhill cranes drifting through on colder days. 7 interior pastures make true grazing management possible without sacrificing natural habitat. At the heart of the ranch, beneath mature hardwoods, sits the headquarters. 2 3-bedroom homes, a shaded pecan and live oak canopy, a 25-acre food plot in direct view, and practical improvements including a pole barn, cattle pens, horse stalls, and chicken facilities. A dedicated water well supports the entire HQ area. Roughly 80% of the fencing interior and perimeter has been replaced in the last 8 years. Access begins at the northeast corner with a county-maintained road. Inside the gate, a professionally built caliche spine road complete with 4 concrete spillways carries you the full length of the ranch. Large legacy ranches of this quality with water, infrastructure, grazing design, and diverse habitat rarely reach the public market. Double Aces Ranch offers scale, scenery, functionality, and long-term potential. A true Texas legacy, ready for the next chapter.